Hello students, today's topic is scripting languages. In this video, I will be covering the definition, advantages as well as the applications of scripting language. We will also see the differences between programming language as well as the scripting language, and we will also see the types of scripting languages. So let us see the definition of a scripting language. Scripting language is a programming language which is used to automate the task, control the web pages, or these are the programs which runs without compilation and they are usually interpreted. Let us see the different advantages of scripting languages. Scripting language is easy to learn, quick to modify, supports interactivity, provides many libraries, and it is useful for enhancing our web page. The different applications of scripting languages are web development, system administration, game and multimedia development, creating plugins and extensions. Okay. Let us see the difference between programming language versus the scripting language. Now, if you see the programming language as well as the scripting language are used to write computer programs, but they differ in the way they are executed. Okay, so the method of execution, the usage of these languages, and the complexity of these languages are different. The programming language and the scripting language. Let us see what is programming language. Usually a programming language is used to create standalone applications or system level software or system level programs. Okay, and these are usually compiled before execution. Examples are C, C++, Java, etc. Whereas scripting language is mainly used to write the small programs. Small programs are also known as scripts and these are interpreted, okay, rather than compiling. And these are often used for automation or web development. Examples of such scripting languages are JavaScript, Python and PHP. Okay, let us see the differences between programming and scripting languages. Programming languages are compiled before execution, whereas scripting languages are interpreted at runtime. Programming language creates standalone application, whereas scripting language is used inside the applications. Programming language is faster and scripting language is slower in execution. Programming language needs a compiler and scripting language needs an interpreter. Programming languages are used for system software and scripting languages are used for web development or for automation. Okay. Programming languages are having complex syntaxes whereas scripting languages use simple syntax. Programming languages are strongly typed whereas scripting languages are loosely typed. Using programming languages, we can develop a very large programs, whereas using scripting language, we can use or we can write only the small programs. Programming language require more development time and scripting languages require lesser development time and that's what in other words we can say that these are faster development. Okay, examples of programming languages are C, C++ and examples of scripting languages are JavaScript, Python, etc. Let us see the different types of the scripting languages. The different types are client-side scripting languages as well as the server-side scripting languages. Let us go back and see what exactly we mean by the client-side scripting languages. Client-side scripting languages are mainly executed on user's browser, okay, and they are mainly used to make the web pages interactive as well as dynamic. Examples of such scripting languages are JavaScript, VBScript, HTML plus CSS. Okay. What are the features? Features are fast execution because no server is needed. It reduces the server load, limited access to the system resources and less secure. When we talk about server-side scripting languages, these are executed on the web server and used to process the data, access the database, and generate dynamic content. Examples are PHP, Python, ASP.NET, Node.js, Java that is JSP, and Servlets. Let us see the different features. It can access the databases more secure than the client-side scripting language, generates the dynamic web page and requires server processing, and that's why it is lower than the client-side scripting language. The other types of scripting languages are the languages which are general purpose scripting languages, and these are used for automation or system tasks. For example, shell scripting is used for automating the operating system tasks such as Linux, Bash, Windows, PowerShell. Okay. Next is Python scripting used for automation for AI and for data analysis. Perl is used for text processing and system administration. Ruby is used for web development as well as automation. Let us see the difference between server side as well as the client side scripting languages. Client side is executed on the client's browser, whereas server side scripting language is executed on the web server. Client side runs after the web page is loaded. Server side runs before web page is sent to the browser. Client side is faster execution and server side is comparatively slower execution. Client side less secure, server side more secure. Client side cannot access database directly. Server side can access the databases. Client side used for user interaction. Server side used for data processing. Client side reduces the server load and server side increases the server load. In client-side scripting, errors are visible to user, whereas in server-side scripting, errors are hidden from the user. Okay. Client-side scripting depends on the browser support, whereas server-side scripting is independent of the browser. Example of client-side scripting is JavaScript, and examples of server-side scripting are PHP, Python, as well as ASP.NET. That's all for the day. Thank you.